strikes 12, fireworks light the sky. A new dawn breaks on spirits high. With open hearts, we greet the day. A fresh new start, come what may. Dreams and hopes, they fill the air. In every smile, love we share. We set our goals with eyes so bright. Together we'll conquer, take flight. Memories of past, lessons learned. Pages turn, new chapters earn. In unity we stand so tall. With courage and strength we'll never fall. Cheers and laughter fill the night. With loved ones near, the future's bright. Through highs and lows we'll persevere, hand in hand into the new year. In this journey, side by side, through the tides of time we glide. Cherish moments big and small. In every heartbeat we find it all. As the stars above shimmer and glow, we embrace the year, let our love flow. With each passing day, our dreams unfold. Happy New Year, let our story be told. In a quiet corner of the room, with a hook and a ball of yarn, each stitch a melody, a gentle tune. In this craft there's so much charm. Patterns dance in my mind's eye, colors weave in harmony, creating wonders as time goes by. This art is truly therapy. Joy of crochet, a thread of bliss. In each loop there's happiness. With every stitch, my heart is light, creating beauty day and night. Hands move rhythmically, a soothing flow. From chain to double and back again. A tapestry of stories that only I know. Crochet is my faithful friend, sharing warmth with each creation. From cozy scarves to blankets tight, crafting gifts with love and dedication. In crochet I find pure delight. When the world feels cold and gray, crochet brings colors into play. A comfort in the toughest times. In every piece, a rhythm, a rhyme. Joy of crochet, a thread of bliss. In each loop there's happiness. With every stitch, my heart is light, creating beauty day and night. As the yarn winds around my fingers, memories in each knot linger. A legacy of love crafted with care. In every piece my soul I share. With every pattern a piece of me. Crochet's joy is my harmony. Day by day, stitch by stitch, in this art I'm truly rich. So I'll keep on crafting through highs and lows. And the joy of crochet my heart forever knows. Joy of crochet, a thread of bliss. In each loop there's happiness.